Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Rinske Dauna and this is my art channel. Today I'm gonna do something for Pride Month. I have here 12 beautiful rainbow colors and I was thinking of using a square canvas and then pouring a side design, blowing that out, making it a super colorful and fun acrylic pour painting. Molly from Molly's Artistry creates those compositions. I love that. I have not tried it on a square canvas myself, and I think using 12 colors on top of each other can be quite challenging. So let's see how this will work out. Okay, so as you can see, I have here 12 colors, all colors of the rainbow. And I'll be using a white base and then Molly's side design. I've never done a side design like that, so gonna be interesting. Let's start making the base. "12 colors." If this will work out or not, it's gonna be fun nonetheless. Yeah, let's start from this angle here. Like that, and then maybe some like, I don't know. Let's just play with it. I'm not doing a lot for the lines because I feel like we already would have a lot of color on the canvas with 12 colors, right? So this is gonna be a pride pour rainbow. And I don't think I will blow the white over these colors because I want to keep them vibrant. And let's see if we can create a rainbow when using all those colors. You know, it can be that it becomes one muddy, ugly painting, but I don't think so. You know, I always, when I'm pouring so many colors, I layer them already on the direction I'm gonna pour them, so it's easier for me. So we're not using metallics, by the way, today. And we're gonna end with a turquoise. Doesn't look like we used like all colors of the rainbow, but you saw, right? Okay, I will put just a little bit, you know, here, so I know the design can flow. I think I'll just start from there. Let's see how that will look. Okay, so I need to blow this out. Oh wow, so vibrant. This I will blow it that direction. Okay, I'm messing this part up a bit. Unfortunately, we might fix that. Oh, this is looking so cool. Okay, shall we torch this? We will torch this. Okay, you can say a lot about this painting, but every color is here. Very different, such a design. I'm liking it. You know, I love the pale green here as well. What a different painting for me. You know what? I don't think I will tweak a lot more. I think this is very cool. Yeah, I will bring you up for a close-up here. Alright, here you go. A 12 color rainbow pride pour. I do like here that we have some defined lines. And then here it mixes into different shades, some cells, some details. And the overall design is just so much fun. Really fun. The only thing when I'm seeing this now is that pale green. Very prominent, so I might tweak that just a little. Let me know what you guys think. Love to hear that. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you next time, guys. Thank you so much.